The 18th Annual Eucharistic Procession of the St. Joseph's Catholic Church, Laitkor Parish, under the Shillong Archdiocese, had taken place on Sunday, the 16th of October at Kynton-U-Mon, Nongkrem. A host of Catholic devotees and members of the congregation from 15 villages had taken part in the procession. The Parish Priest of Laitkor, Rev Father Sylvester Synrem, had conducted the Mass before the Eucharistic procession advanced in a ceremonial manner through the streets.
Tanong katibam katibig utaman save to me. Kumagas ngaw,